Hey KS fam! So now we're into the Halloween tutorials and I'm excited for this one because I really love Halloween. So we're starting off with basic black nail and some white gel polish. I saw this technique, it was like a glow effect, and I was like, how do you do that? Because I initially thought it was with neon pigments, but it is, but it's not like you take the neon pigments and you rub it into the white outline that I'm gonna do. It's a little bit neater than that. So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do something simple, which is a spider web. So just a simple spider web so you can see how the technique is done. But I will put the picture that inspired me to learn this technique. I actually kind of stalked the page because this guy is awesome. He does like the best nail art I've ever seen. And I came across, like, he sells products. And by no means am I trying to ruin his business. I don't think I will. It's not like I have that many followers. But he actually sells the gel that you can do this with, and it's called, I believe it's stained glass gel. So you can definitely go to his page. I will link all that either below or somewhere on the video. You can definitely go to the page and purchase the gel. But if you have some neon pigments on hand, you can also hack this technique like I did. I hope I don't get in trouble for this. Like, I hope he doesn't come after me like, oh, you're messing up my business. Just trying to help some girls out. I know they're not that expensive either. I think they're like $9 a bottle and you don't really need much. So you don't really have to be stingy about it. I was like, you could probably do this some other way, and because I didn't want to wait to get the pigments in, the gels in, well, I just hacked it a bit, you know? So I'm going to cure the spider web. I know it looks kind of crappy, but it's just so you can see the technique, and I'll be right back. Okay, so while the spider web is curing, I'm going to go ahead and mix the pigment so that you can achieve this look. All I do is take some base gel. I'm going to be using the Beetles Foundation base gel, and put a little bit of that on here, and then we're just gonna take the smallest amount of pigment. I decided to use hot pink for this one, but there's so many different pigment colors. Like yellow would look super glow. We have green, there's orange, there's purple, there's a whole bunch you can use. Any pigment, any neon pigment will do, because I feel like for this, it really should be neon. So it can give that glow effect. I'm gonna make sure to mix this very, very well so that there's no clumps. So all you're gonna do is trace the lines that you already did, and you slightly go off to the side of each line. To give it the glow effect, try to maintain the lines that are going on the black background on the same side, so it can look like light is hitting it. Okay, and this doesn't look impressive right now, but wait till I cure this and put matte over it. I think that's what gives it that, like, oh, cool kind of effect. Look at that. Do you see what I mean about the effect that it gives when you do the matte? It really looks like they're glowing. I practiced the ghost beforehand with some green. I think green looks great as well. I will definitely put the picture of the set that inspired me to figure out how this was done. And the page, I think he has Instagram. I'm not sure if he has Facebook, but I do know I follow him on Instagram. So you guys can see like the different things that he does. Anyway, I hope you like that. I hope you can practice this Halloween. This would make like a great accent nail, or just like the set that I'm going to show you guys at the end that he did. You could do it on every nail with different colors. I hope I can practice this on real nails because I think it looks so bomb. It's subtle, awesome, fabulous. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, bye!